Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to do Surah Al-Baqarah ayat number 3. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So previously we did that this is a book in which there is no doubt, and it's a guidance for the muttaqeen, people who fear. And then who are those people? Allazina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna as-salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun. So, who are those people? These are the people who believe in the unseen, establish prayer, and spend out of what we have provided for them. So, muttaqeen are the people who have true and firm belief in the unseen or ghaib. For example, if there are two people who are backbiting and one of them says, Ittaqillah, fear Allah, then the one with the taqwa will immediately stop because he has a firm belief in the unseen or the akhirah. Whereas if someone does not have a firm belief, then they will say, oh, just leave it, and they'll continue doing that. So, salat basically, that was the first quality, that these people, they have firm belief in the akhirah and they work accordingly. Salat literally means connection. So, our 5 daily prayers are our connection with Allah. The people of taqwa work hard to maintain their connection with Allah. They fear losing the love and connection that they have with Allah. So, that is the most important thing for them. So, they strive to maintain that connection. Then, people of taqwa spend from People of taqwa spend from what Allah has provided them in His path. So we are like that a child who sees his parent eating a candy, and then he just asks them that, can I have some of this candy, and the parent gives them that candy. But after the child just eats some part of it and the parent asks the child to give them the candy back, then the child just says, mine, it's mine, I'm not going to give it back. So we think that all that we've been given, like our paycheck, our belongings, all the things that we have, they are ours, we are the owners, but not the people of taqwa. They are sure of the fact that all that they have belongs to Allah, and so they are able to generously spend from it. So, Allazina, Zalikal Kitabu, this is a book in which La Raib, there is no doubt fihi in it. Hudallil Muttaqeen, it's a guidance for the Muttaqeen. And then, who are the Muttaqeen? Allazina yu'minuna bil ghaibi, those are people who have the firm belief in the ghaib. Wa yuqimun salata, and they maintain their prayer, they maintain their connection with Allah, they don't want to lose the love and the connection that they have with Allah. Wa mimma razaqnahum, and from what we have, razaqnahum, what we have provided them. Yunfikun, they spend. So what we have provided them, they spend. So this was the ayat for today, and inshallah tomorrow we'll continue further. Fi aman Allah.